Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can get the fake rating filter on TikTok. So I'm in TikTok camera. To get this effect, go here. This is the effect gallery. Okay, so here you will see a search bar. Just tap there and search for fake rating. Remember this image. This is the filter, the first one. Okay, tap on the screen. Okay, so this is the effect, guys. Suppose you are not getting the effect like this from the effect gallery, then you can go to discover and here search for fake rating. Okay, you will see videos with this effect. Just tap on any video you want. Okay, on the bottom left corner of the screen you will see the effect name. It's in yellow. Just tap there and you will be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the page you will see try this effect. Just tap there. Likewise. Okay, and suppose you are not getting the effect like this also from discover, then what you can do, okay, let's see. Okay, let me go back. Okay, visit this website. Link to this website I'll give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see the effect icon. Just tap on it and you will be directed to the effect page. Now here tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen. Okay, there you go, you got the filter. So that's it, guys. Likewise you can get this effect on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video, guys. See you in the next video. That's it. Okay.